the same dream every crypto investor has. You buy a tiny amount of a coin when nobody's talking about it. It's worth less than a cup of coffee. Then one day, boom, the charts go vertical, the price explodes, and suddenly you're the one who bought in before the world caught on. Sounds impossible? It's not. This is exactly how early investors in coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Polygon made fortunes. They spotted the opportunity before the headlines, before the hype, and before the big money moved in. Now in 2025, the market is in a strange place. Bitcoin and Ethereum dominate the conversation, but deep in the altcoin jungle, there are coins trading for under $1 coins that could have the kind of breakout that turns small investments into life-changing wealth. And today, we're counting down the top 3 altcoins under $1 that, based on trends, technology, and market positioning, could make millionaires in 2025. Let's start at number 3. Number 3, VeChain. VeChain isn't new. In fact, it's been around since 2015, but it's one of the most overlooked projects in the market. Right now, it trades well under $1, just a few cents per coin, but the technology behind it solves a problem that's worth billions: supply chain transparency. Here's the story. Global supply chains are a mess. From food to fashion to electronics, companies struggle to track where products come from, whether they're genuine, and how they move from factory to store. VeChain's blockchain is built specifically for this. Every product can be tagged with a code that stores its entire journey on the blockchain, from raw material to finished product. That means no more counterfeit goods, no more guessing about quality, and full traceability. Already, VeChain has partnerships with giants like Walmart China, BMW, and Louis Vuitton's parent company LVMH. These aren't tiny crypto startups, these are billion-dollar brands trusting VeChain's tech. So why hasn't the price exploded yet? Because VeChain's adoption has been steady but quiet. The mainstream media isn't paying attention yet. But as more countries demand transparency in food safety, carbon tracking, and ethical sourcing, VeChain's technology could become a global standard. If that happens, buying VET under $1 today could look like buying Ethereum under $10 back in 2016. And remember, supply chain issues are worth trillions globally. If VeChain captures even a slice of that market, the upside could be massive. Number 2, Hedera, HBAR. Hedera isn't just another blockchain, it's something called a hash graph. While blockchains stack data in blocks, Hashgraph uses a different system that's faster, more secure, and more energy efficient. Right now, HBAR Hedera's native token trades far under $1. But here's the thing, Hedera is already backed by some of the biggest corporations on the planet. We're talking Google, IBM, Boeing, LG, and Standard Bank all sitting on Hedera's governing council. This means the network is literally run by a lineup of global industry leaders. Hedera can process over 10,000 transactions per second, with fees so low they're almost invisible. It's perfect for real-time payments, NFT marketplaces, tokenized assets, and even central bank digital currencies. The crazy part? While most cryptos are hyped up before they even have real-world usage, Hedera already has enterprise adoption. Advertising networks are using it for tracking impressions, healthcare companies are using it for secure patient data, and payment companies are using it to process microtransactions. So why is it still under $1? Because Hedera has been focused on building quietly rather than chasing hype. But in 2025, with more regulation coming to crypto, coins with strong corporate backing and real-world utility could see huge investor confidence. If adoption keeps growing and HBR even approaches the market cap of some mid-tier Layer 1 coins, the returns from these prices could be life-changing. Number 1, XRP. Yes, XRP, the coin at the center of one of the most famous legal battles in crypto history. For years, the SEC lawsuit kept XRP under pressure, scaring off big investors. But now, with Ripple scoring major wins in court and the lawsuit mostly behind them, the stage is set for a comeback. Here's why XRP is so interesting. While Bitcoin is great for storing value and Ethereum is great for decentralized applications, XRP's specialty is moving money fast, cheap, and across borders. Banks and payment providers can use XRP's network to send money anywhere in the world in seconds, for a fraction of a cent in fees. This isn't a theoretical use case, companies are already using it. In fact, Ripple has partnerships with over 300 financial institutions worldwide, including Santander, SBI Holdings, and American Express. Now imagine this. Global cross-border payments are worth over $150 trillion per year. If Ripple captures even 1% of that market, we're talking billions flowing through XRP's network. That kind of adoption could easily push XRP far beyond $1, and from today's price, that's a potentially massive return. The kicker? XRP's supply is huge, which keeps the price low for now, but if big banks start holding XRP for liquidity purposes, demand could skyrocket. And unlike many cryptos that rely on hype, XRP has been building for years, fighting through legal challenges and expanding its network in Asia, the Middle East, and Latin America. The bigger picture. Now let's step back for a moment. Why focus on coins under $1? It's not because their automatically cheap price alone doesn't tell you if a coin is undervalued. It's because under $1 coins can be psychologically attractive to investors. Think about it. If you have $500 to invest, would you rather own 1/100th of a Bitcoin or thousands of tokens in a coin you believe in? That sense of owning a lot makes people more excited to invest, and that excitement can fuel momentum. Plus, when these coins move, they can move fast. A coin going from 10 cents to $1 is a 900% gain. That's the kind of move that turns small investments into serious money. Of course, there's risk. Crypto is volatile. A coin under $1 could go to $10, or it could go to zero. That's why research is everything. In this countdown, VeChain, Hedera, and XRP aren't random picks. They all have real-world utility, strong partnerships, active development teams, clear roadmaps for growth. They're not just coins hoping for hype, they're projects solving billion-dollar problems. How to approach investing in these coins. If you're looking at these altcoins, the first step isn't to throw all your money in, it's to build a strategy. Step 1, decide your risk tolerance. If losing your investment would keep you up at night, you're putting in too much. Step 2, dollar cost average. Instead of buying all at once, spread your purchases out. That way you don't get burned if the price dips short term. Step 3, hold with patience. Big moves in crypto often happen when you least expect them. If you believe in the fundamentals, you have to be willing to wait. And step 4, take profits. When a coin moons, it's tempting to hold forever, but smart investors take some profits on the way up, locking in gains while keeping a stake for the long run. The next wave of truly successful cryptocurrencies won't be the ones constantly making headlines or getting hyped on social media. The next millionaire-making coin will be one that quietly builds a solid foundation, solving real-world problems and gaining a steady, genuine adoption in the background. It will be a project focused on utility, not just speculation. This is exactly the niche that coins like VeChain, VET, Hedera, HBAR, and XRP are carving out for themselves. All three fit the profile of a serious, foundational project. They all trade for under $1, yet they have massive potential markets to disrupt. Most importantly, they've all already proven their ability to survive and thrive in the brutal, volatile crypto environment, enduring market crashes and skepticism with their core technology intact. VeChain, for instance, isn't just another digital currency. It is a powerful blockchain platform designed to tackle complex real-world problems, specifically in supply chain management and product authenticity. Imagine a world where you could instantly verify the journey of a luxury handbag, a bottle of wine, or a pharmaceutical from its origin to your hands, simply by scanning a QR code. That's the problem VeChain is solving. By providing a transparent, unchangeable record of a product's history, it eliminates fraud and boosts consumer trust. This isn't just an idea, it's being actively used by major corporations. The potential market for this is staggering, as it could apply to virtually every product that moves through a global supply chain. VeChain's quiet, business-focused approach is a testament to its long-term vision. Hedera stands out with its unique technology, the hash graph consensus algorithm. Unlike traditional blockchains, Hedera is designed for enterprise-level applications, offering incredible speed, fairness, and security with very low transaction fees. It is built to be the reliable, fast backbone for a new generation of decentralized applications and services. The project's credibility is solidified by its governing council, which includes some of the world's largest and most reputable companies, such as Google, IBM, and Boeing. This isn't a project run by anonymous developers. It's backed by global giants. Hedera's focus on enterprise adoption and its superior technology make it a strong contender for a future where blockchain technology is seamlessly integrated into everyday business operations, solving real problems like micropayments and data verification at scale. Finally, there is XRP, a project that has faced its share of controversy but has emerged as a resilient player in the crypto space. XRP was specifically designed to solve a colossal, multi-trillion-dollar problem: cross-border payments. The current international banking system is slow, expensive, and outdated. XRP, through its ledger, can facilitate near-instant, low-cost international transfers. Its protracted legal battle with the SEC served as a trial by fire, and the fact that it survived and continued to build its network demonstrates its incredible staying power and the conviction of its developers and community. With a global remittance and payments market that is always growing, XRP has a massive, tangible market to disrupt, making it a key player for the long haul. In 2025, the smart investor's question isn't just which coin will pump. The more important question is, which coin will still matter in 5 years? Hype-driven projects might give a quick return, but they often lack the substance to survive long-term. VeChain, Hedera, and XRP are building for the future. So which of these three do you think has the highest potential? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit the like button to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss the next big crypto breakdown. Because in crypto, timing isn't everything, but it's very, very close.